In this video, I'll be showing you how to screen mirror your iPad to TV. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And you can do this with literally any iPad that you have, and providing your TV is one of the newer ones in, basically a smart TV, like, anything like that. So what we're going to do is on our iPad, swipe down on the top right of your screen, and on the top, you're going to see that little icon right there. So what we're going to do is go ahead and click on that, but before you do, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi and make sure it's the same Wi-Fi network as your TV. So now what I want to do is I want to click that icon and I'm going to see 65-inch OLED right there. So that's what I want to click. Now, once I go ahead and press on that, just wait for it to show. It's going to say AirPlay, wirelessly share content from your iPhone, iPad, or iMac. And then that's it. Once you go ahead and do that, anything you display, like let's say if I open up YouTube or open up my gallery, it's going to show on my TV as well, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.